Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. I know it's been a while, but I've just been so busy with work and getting back to my normal routine after my travels. So I'm sorry I haven't posted a video in a while, but good news, I have sent out all except one of the 6 winners gift. I'm still waiting for one of the winners to contact me with the shipping info. Today we're making a card, a happy anniversary card. I've actually assembled this before my travels, so it's all prepared. And while I do a little stuff, I'll tell you guys about what I've been up to. I've actually been doing something fun. I started a new YouTube channel for cooking. I'm gonna put the link down below. The channel is called Cooking on Budget for 2. I usually cook for 2 people, either me or my mom, or me and one of my neighbors. So yeah, I cook a lot for 2, and I thought it'd be nice to do something good and maybe give some cooking ideas to people. And cooking on a budget is such a great idea, especially right now with prices rising. Alright, anyways, new cooking channel. If anyone is interested, links down below. Let's get to it. So this is my cardstock, and I'm using an embossing folder. I have a big collection of this. I should make a video of my embossing folder collection, and this is the outcome. This is slightly smaller, so I'm gonna glue this down here. Start with my favorites. Oh no, I think the mailman is here. Why are you barking? In the cooking channel, you guys will see a little bit more of me. Hey! Alright, this centered in the middle. Yep, it's probably Amazon delivery. Alright, so now I have a couple of dies here. Let's start with the green ones. So these are very basic, and they're all the same. I have this set. In the back I have examples. See, some of them doesn't cut very well, but I used this one for these. And although they do look very nice, I'm gonna add a little bit of details to it to make the ends look a little bit darker with a darker green color and a brush. So I'm just gonna put it over a scrap paper and brush just the edges to give it a little bit of a color change, dimension. How much better does that look? So while I was gone, the original plans were to go to Hungary and then to Germany, but just 4 days before my flight, Germany closed to US citizens, and I was not allowed in. So we ended up going to Hungary as planned, and then, well, Hungary is a small country, so there's not a lot of things to do for 2.5 weeks. So we had to go somewhere, and there was not a lot of options, and the only place that did allow us in was Turkey. So we went to Turkey, Antalya, to an all-inclusive beach resort, which was fun, but I feel like I'm never gonna do this again because it was, after a while, it got boring. The beach was so nice. We got to swim, but all day the only thing to do is to look forward to when lunch or dinner is gonna start. So it was just all about eating. That was about like half of the week, and then for the other half we went to Istanbul, and that was much more fun, but it was raining. Oh my goodness, it was raining so much. It was insane. And the day we left, it was sunny. So that was just my luck. arriving to Los Angeles, where it never rains. It rains like maybe 4 times a year, and it's usually in January. That's our rain season. But guess what? As I arrived back home, thunderstorm. It was just like Florida. Insane. So I feel like I have something to do with bringing in the rain. So what I want to do is assemble my leaves. I'm just gonna do this really quick just to get it down, and then if needed I'll add more glue down here. Okay, and then I saw this one that did not have a longer stem, so it's a little bit of oh, that's a lot. There's a lot for one. Yeah, this glue is super strong, so I can get away with just doing a tiny little bit. Okay, for this one I want to make it taller, like that. I think 3 will be enough, so I'm gonna keep this for another use. Alright, so then I have this sentiment which says happy anniversary. I did this in navy blue color. For this I'm gonna use a little bit of help. Alright, just a little bit of glue. This is very thin dye. Alright, that's coming. That's cute. Very pretty. Okay, let's do right here. Just want to make sure it's straight. Okay, that. Nice. And next, right underneath. This is hard to do with left hand. Once you get used to it, I guess it will be easier. So I have been organizing my haul stuff, putting them in their own little bins that I have, and I found a lot more duplicates, a lot more. So I'm guessing the next video is gonna be a haul after this. All right, now I'm not done. Oh, I don't like how that looks. Maybe hide it underneath. Okay, I also have this little thing right here. I don't really like how small it cut it out, but it is what it is. So right here. Okay, perfect. Whew, that was small. Okay, then I have this butterfly sticker box, which you always see in my haul videos. I picked out a few, and let's see what I'm gonna do with it. These are stickers, but I'm not gonna take off the sticker part. What I'm gonna do is fold it like this in the mid part. Okay, let's see how many I want to do. Put one here, this, and then so we'll do 3, and then the yellow one just where the mid part is, the body. The body. Alright, so we have our folds, and now back to the glue. Okay, so folded, and I'm gonna put the glue just right here. Really quickly, and I want to put it over these stems like this. Leave it there. Once it dries, I can flicker it up a little bit. And then the blue one. And then the yellow. Are you guys excited for Thanksgiving? I know everyone knows this, but this year has gone by fast. Holy moly. So fast. I don't know. I feel like I haven't accomplished anything this year. It's just been a lot of traveling instead of doing craft work that I told myself I would do more, but I haven't. So hoping this for the holiday season I can somehow time manage better. No more traveling for a while, just do crafts and cooking videos, of course. I'm very excited about a bunch of pumpkin, like real pumpkin. I'm gonna cook with them. So alright, that was it for this video. Happy anniversary. Let me put this on a little stand and then we can take a closer look. Okay, here it is. Gorgeous. Kind of minimalistic, but it gives you a really good idea what you can do with stickers, because these are stickers. I did not take off the back part, I just glued them on, but it's a very nice addition in case you either don't want to color or don't have all the colors that you want to color with, or the necessary coloring equipment, if that makes sense. So if you have a sticker, it's always there's always a way to decorate a car with it. Happy anniversary, and I hope you guys like this video. I will talk to you guys in the comments.